Hello guys, many of friends have asked to make a video on this example in which we have to find out what is the height of the table. This is a tricky example, so in which the data is limited but you have to solve it. So let's try to solve this example and find out the height of the table. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just search in YouTube Civil Engineering Global and you will find it. So in this example, let's take the first case. In this first case, we have the table plus cat minus the tortoise is equal to 170 centimeter. In the second case, we have the tortoise plus table minus the cat is equal to 130 centimeter. So these are the data we get from the example. Let's take the first case, which is table plus cat minus the tortoise is equal to 170 centimeter. Let's shift the cat and the tortoise to the other side of the equation. So this will become one table is equal to 170, tortoise is minus, so it will become plus. So plus the tortoise, the cat is plus, so after shifting it to the other side it will become minus. So in the second case, we have the tortoise plus the table minus cat is equal to 130 centimeter. Let's do this for the same. The tortoise minus cat is equal to, let's shift the table to the other side. This will become 130 minus the table. So we have the we have the value of the tortoise minus the cat. Let's put that value into the first equation we got. So this will become, after putting the data, this will become table is equal to 170 plus 130 minus table. So let's shift the table to the other side. This will become 2 table is equal to 170 plus 130. After calculating this, this will become table is equal to 300. Let's move the 2 to the other side. This will become divided by 2. So the height of the table in this example is 150 centimeter. I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.